Welcome back to my channel. Way too much new guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So in this video is very important topic I would like to discuss. But if you want to know each and everything, you have to stick to this video till last. So in this video I'll discuss regarding the 6 job scams which mariners used to face at regular basis, especially for the freshers and junior engineers, day cadets, trainee GP rating, trainee means trainee wage wiper. They used to face this kind of job scams every day in Mumbai, whatever place it is, especially in Mumbai mainly. So what are these job scams? I will tell you in a brief format. First is the false agency. So there are a lot of agencies are there in Mumbai, Kolkata, and lot of places you will find lot of many times false agency. They will promise you the job, they will tell you everything. They have their own visiting cards, they have their what is called website, they have everything. They have old candidate flight details, wage slip. They will show you each and everything and you will feel, oh yeah, it is genuine, it cannot be fake. They have that kind of potential to prove themselves. They are absolutely right, but this is not true. After getting your money, they will not give you job. So do not trap onto this kind of false maritime job agency. You will be in big trouble afterwards if you trap in these things. Now second is pay before job. So yeah, it is also associated with the maritime agency also. So in which quota or which part they will tell you to give the money before job, that I will tell you. First is the procedure fees, means the proceedings fee, or you can say what is called processing fee. Yeah, processing fees is the right word actually. Admission fee, recruitment fee, airfares, visa, work permit, security for the job, payment for the forwarding resumes to the company, So they'll promise you that they will give the money back during your joining time. Yeah, visa, sometimes you need to give the money in standard company also, but they used to return your money during your joining. So this kind of fees are not actually required. So do not pay this kind of fees, which is absolutely bullshit. Sorry for my language, but that is true that I am telling you. Okay, so do not pay before your job. When you feel that you have got your, sometimes happen no, that you have got your air tickets and all, and you went for the airport and you find there is no ship like that. Lot of incident happen. So that is the thing. Now posting resume on your website. One video I have made regarding this 56 website to post your resume. I will keep the video on the what is called in the I button. You can check that video. Those websites are genuine. I have searched by myself and I have gone through all the websites. It is fine. So but before posting your resume, please make sure it is not a trap, because sometimes what happened, they used to make the website and you post a resume, and following day they will call your mail that yeah, you have selected, you have to pay that money for the I've told already, the processing fee, recruitment fee, admission fee, lot of fees are there. They will tell you, and they will make a fake job letter, appointment letter, contract details, everything they will make, and they will forward by email and tell you to send the money immediately. Within 15-20 days there will be joining. One ship is there, ship's specification they will send you, everything they will send you, and afterwards they will make you fool and fly away. Now the very important, there is a 900 number scam. I will try to read a rather uncommon but no less malicious cruise job scam. This is mainly cruise job scam. Okay, could rip you off a huge sum with nothing in return. Many of fake websites or agencies often prompt their victims to call a 900 number. These numbers charge a greater sum for each call. Fraudsters scam off their profit by making unknowing people call such numbers, often even making them wait deliberately. The big bucks that they would later be paid by you in phone bill for these calls would grease the scam runners pumps. Okay, the fifth is non-existing job offers. Many times what happen, you could be presented fake job opening by posting them on the website. These openings are taken often to website, or sometimes even print out from papers and other places. Everything would seem great. The only bummer might be that those jobs might no longer available. Making fake job openings or using older one is to keep work scam going. This is most typical in marine job. Look closely for more authentic information mentioned on the website. Also run a background check of your own before you give into a such scam. Now sixth, reveal it all scam. Another scam every mariner should watch out for is where your personal information is asked as a part of recruitment process. The cruise job scam could ask for you the personal information such as your bank details in name of making direct payment at later stages, sometimes passport details and seafarer certificate details. So do not give these certificates and the personal details until your job is fixed, and no company would like to take your personal savings account details. They would like to create one NRI account for you and they will send money on that account only. This is the procedure I am telling. Okay, so I guess you have understood this video. Lot of videos I have made regarding the job scams and all you will find in the I button, but again I am making a separate type of video that 6 job scam can happen to you anytime, especially for freshers I am telling. So be very sharp, be very careful about that. So lot of big companies and names are involved in the sense they are not directly involved, people are using their name. So these things happen. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.